Switzerland, a country known the world over for the craftsmanship and quality of its many consumer goods and products. And the most universal symbol of that quality and versatility is the Swiss Army knife, a clever knife found in the pocket of millions of users in every continent.
Well, in today's program, we take you to Ibach in the canton of Schwyz for a look inside the home of the original Swiss Army knife. The Victorinox company has been making knives here for more than 100 years. Behind its impeccable reputation today is a tradition of family history and dedication.
Today, Victorinox is the largest cutlery factory in Europe. 1,000 employees are involved in the production of 34,000 Swiss Army knives at this factory every day. Daily production also includes thousands of pocket tools in 400 different models, and an additional 38,000 kitchen and professional knives, which are exported to more than 100 countries.
What is it that makes Victorinox knives so popular, so irresistible, a perfect souvenir of Switzerland?
Have you already bought it or are you going to buy?